When it comes to your home's comfort, trust the experts at Carvers HVAC Enterprises, LLC. With over 30 years of experience, our team provides top-notch service, repair, and installation for all your HVAC needs. And with our licensing and insurance, you can feel confident that your home is in good hands. We specialize in residential work serving Ohio, and we service American Standard heating and air conditioning. And for those who need it, we even offer 0% financing. Choose Carvers HVAC Enterprises, LLC, keeping you comfortable for over 30 years.